In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11, the app was blocked error. If you've tried to open an installer or program and Windows stops you with a message that the app was blocked, don't worry. This usually happens because Windows is protecting your system from unknown or unverified files. I'll show you a safe, straightforward way to unblock the file and run it with the right permissions. Only continue if you trust the source of the app. First, locate the app file on your computer. This is typically an .exe or .msi file in your Downloads folder or on your desktop. Make sure you're working with the actual file and not a shortcut. When you've found it, right-click the file and choose Properties. This opens a small window that shows details about the file. In the Properties window, stay on the General tab. If you're not there already, click General. It's the first tab, and it shows the file name, type, and location. Near the bottom of this window, look for a security note that says the file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect your PC. Next to that, you may see an option labeled Unblock. If you see the Unblock checkbox, check it. This tells Windows that you trust this file and want to remove the downloaded file warning. After checking the box, click Apply, and then click OK to close the window. This simple change clears the block that often triggers the app was blocked message. If you don't see an unblock option, that's fine. It just means Windows didn't flag it this way. You can move on to launching the app. Now, right-click the app file again and choose Run as Administrator. Many installers and some apps need elevated permission to make changes to your system, like writing to protected folders or installing drivers, so this step ensures they can run properly. You may see a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. If you recognize the app and trust where it came from, click Yes. This confirms you're intentionally launching it with administrative rights. That's it. To recap, open Properties, use the Unblock option if it's available, apply and confirm, then run the app as an administrator and approve the prompt. This approach respects Windows security while letting you proceed with software you trust. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to get past the app was blocked message and continue with your installation or launch.